Hey everybody, it's Evan with the Grainiac. Thanks for sticking with me through this whole project, covering my popcorn ceiling with beadboard and making my own red oak trim that I stained with a special walnut stain, it was called. And I went double wide on the border of the landing there to cover all the gaps. Then I also ran trim across where each beadboard gapped. And the bathroom here, I just went with a regular white molding because I wanted to stick with the white in the bathroom. And then I siliconed the outside. Some people call this a coffered ceiling. If it was a bit more ornate, I would call it that, but I just used the trim boards. Basically cover up all the gaps in between the beadboard. Again, if you want to do this, make sure to have Home Depot, wherever you buy it from, cut the beadboard for you first. That saves a lot of time, unless you're going to use the full 4-foot by 8-foot sheets. With 2 people it'd be okay, but with 1 person, even these 4x4s were quite a bit to handle. And I made my own corner trim, now outside corner. I split 2 pieces of trim so they're a lot thinner, and then I joined them at a 90-degree angle. This is the basement, the full basement. That's my theater room. That's still a popcorn ceiling, as you can see. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. That I might scrape and paint black or a darker color because it's a theater room. And I'd cut the trim around the door there, and that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you like what you see, do this kind of stuff quite a bit. So like and subscribe and see what kind of projects I get into next. Thanks for watching.